What's up, guys? Peace King here from Technos. An unboxing of the Anker nylon braided micro USB cable and the Anker Power Drive 2. So first, we'll be looking at the nylon braided micro USB cable, which you can charge and sync with speed. So we're just gonna take this part off. So we're back. We just took the wrapper off of it. So we're gonna open it like here. Inside, you have the USB cable. I'm gonna pop that off real quick. Put that to the side. Alright, inside the box, we have a little piece of paper here. It says happy, not happy, like in all the other videos from Anker I have. So you can see that you can send your feedback into Anker if you have any problems. And there you have your writing for the website and stuff. And it says, thanks for choosing Anker. We're gonna put that to the side. So, here's my USB cable. Came in a little sleeve. So we're just gonna unravel it. So you can see it. You have your gold colored micro USB, the Anker branding. You guys can see that. Also, you have this side, the micro USB cable, gold coloring, and the branding. That's pretty much it with this nylon cord here. And now we're going to move on to the Power Drive 2 car charger. So I'm going to unbox this real quick. Okay, so we open this. Inside, we have thanks for choosing Anker again. And the same happy and not happy feedback slip. And right here, we have car charger, Power Drive 2. Opens in like a little flap. I'll take that out real quick. Okay, the Power Drive 2 comes in like a little plastic wrapping. And here you go. You got your dual USB ports right there. Power IQ, fast charge, and smart charging. Your Anker branding. And some warranty and safety tips. So, in the box, we have a thing that flips up. Inside it says eco-friendly packaging. Frustration-free unboxing. So, inside you got your welcome guide. Power Drive 2. So it says, using your Power Drive 2. Which is not in English. Where is the English version? The heck? Oh, alright, there we go. So, plug it in, and then all that on the bottom is in different languages. It says how to charge your phone and tablets. And we have specifications here. So you have your specifications. Input, tells you how much volts it is, the weight, it's very light, it's only 1 ounce. So now we're gonna take our nylon cord that we just unboxed a minute ago. We're gonna plug it in to the Power Drive 2. Plugs in very easily. You can plug in another one if you had another one. I'm gonna go get another one right now. So I just went in my kitchen and got another USB cable. It's for the S5. So just plug it in right there. It's easy to use, lightweight. Plug it into your car without much trouble. And also another thing about the nylon cord is that it's tangle free. It'll never tangle. So if you're in your car, you have a bunch of other wires that you're charging your, maybe like your GPS or your phone and your tablet. You don't have to tangle up if you have more than one of these. That's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Follow me on Google+. And check out my other videos. Beast King out.